Hello YouTubers. Today I will show you how can you plot a scatter diagram and also run a regression and also can test hypothesis. So I will try to explain in this video. So here is some data and I have collected this data, and from this data I will try to show you how can you insert a scatter plot. So okay, first of all we have two variables. Like here is y variable, which is egg produced in 1990, which is in millions, and here is the x variable, which is in price per dozen in 1990, which is in cents. Okay, now at first we will plot a scatter plot. So at first we have to go in insert, and from the insert we have to go scatter. Here is a scatter, and we will select first plot, then here is the scatter plot, but uh, we have to select data from that, because uh, here the right data or right variables are not selected. So first of all we have to select perfect data. So from here select data, you have to choose it and remove all these things, and here is add button and click here, and after clicking you have to choose series x values, x variable, and we have to select here from here. Okay, and drag it, and after selecting all the values, then we have to select y variable. Here is the value of y, then drag it and select all the values and press OK, and here is OK, and here is the scatter plot. We can change it also if you want, and here. Okay, then here is the scatter plot of these variables, x and y variables, which is egg production and price of eggs. So from here we can also predict the equation of these variables, or the connection of variables we can see by the equation. So how can we find the equation? For finding equation we have to select first this diagram or this chart, and after selecting we have here layout option, and then go to layout, and from the trend line here's the more trend line options, then we have to select it, and after selecting it we can select here display equation on chart. That means we will show the equation of the chart. Then we can also select display r squared values on chart. So if we want r squared value, then we can select it. So I will show you. Then I select both r square value and also equation, then close it, and here is the r square value and also equation. So we can drag it in here, and here is the equation and also r square value. Now I will show you how can you analyze the data, like how can you show regression analysis. For this analysis you have to set up add-in, which is excel add-in. So for this you have to go here, and here is the excel options, and I'm using excel 2007, and here is the excel option. If you use excel 2013 or the upper version like 2016, then you will get this option by another way, and I will show you. At first I will show you how can you find this option in 2007. So here is the excel option 2007, and I will click it, and here is the add-in. We have to click here, and after clicking here, here is the excel add-in, and click on go, and already selected analysis tool packed in my computer. But if you don't have selected, then you can select it, and after selecting it you can press OK. Then you can find it in data. Here is the data analysis and solver also, and I have selected it for data analysis. So I will show you now for 2013. Here is the Excel 2013, and I will show you how can you set up this all these things. Here is the interface of 2013 and also like it 2016. So select it, and here is the options, and after clicking options then add in, and here also go, and here analysis toolpack is not selected, so I have to select it and press OK. So that's all. You can also find this option in 2016. So that's all. Now I will show you how can you analyze the data. So at first I will click on data analysis, and now you will find some analysis tools like ANOVA, single factor, two factor, correlation, covariance, and those things. And at first I will try to select regression because I have committed to show you how can you run a regression in Excel. I have selected a regression option and then press OK. Now I have to select range of Y, which is here, and I will select all those values, and then I have to select X values, which is here. Okay. Now here some options. Labels. I did not select label like Y and X. That's why I will not select this labels option. And here is the confidence level. We can change it. If we select here, then we can change it. If we do not want to change it, then we can make it default. Okay. Now the output range or new worksheet play. So if we want to show the result in a new worksheet, then we will press OK. Or if we want to show the output in this worksheet, then we will press here, and we will select a cell for showing output. Then I have selected this cell, and here is some options. If you need, then you can select all these things. So if you want to select the residuals, then you will find the residuals. If you do not select it, you will not get these residuals. So I will select it and then press OK. And here is the summary output. That means regression analysis is here, and I will cut it, show it clearly. Okay. And here is the everything, intercept and x variables, which is also shown in the equation, and here is also same thing. And by this way you can find or you can run regression in Excel. And you can also run other data analysis like F test, T test, Z test, like those things. By this way, I think this video will help you for analyzing data in Excel. I think it's more easy than other software, and it's also convenient to me, and I am also comfortable to 2007 Excel. That's why I have shown you this software. So if you are new guy in my channel, then subscribe my channel, and if you have any suggestion, then you can put in the comment section below. Thank you.